Hey guys, so it's me again, and I'm in a fort that I made that I slept in last night. So yeah, my blanket and everything. Yeah. But I've got a sister and her friend round here, and today's vlog or video is not a vlog because vlogs are like what you do in a whole day. But I'm gonna be shooting them with this bad boy, Nerf gun. Oh, so fun, you. Oh. And then there's already a bullet there. And loaded. Well, not loaded. I'm going to put you down. So I'm loading it. Loaded. So I'm going to go downstairs because they're playing this game called Just Dance at the moment. Sorry, my finger keeps on getting in the way of the screen. I'm going to put you down because I've got a dog. It means I have to have stair gates. And so I've got a Nerf gun in one hand and you in the other hand, so I'll put you down to open it. Okay, I'm going to go in there, put you down somewhere, and hopefully it goes well. I'm shooting them, that's what I meant.
You know you're playing, Max. Max, don't. Max! Hit it at me, not at her. Max! Don't hit it at her. Mommy! Mom! Elsa! Don't you dare. No more bullets.
See ya! That didn't go very well. Bye!